Bitcoin got rejected from $78,000, and right now we are currently retracing. The big question now is Bitcoin done rallying to the upside? In this video, I'm going to share with you how I took the trade from 78,000 where Bitcoin rejected, and my current trading plan for the upcoming week. So without wasting much time, let's get into the chart. So right now, Bitcoin has rejected from $78,000 region, $78,355 to be precise, and as you can see, the trade setup was given in advance and I took the trade. So right now, the next probable trade setup for this week, according to the chart, my trading plan for this week is if Bitcoin price action keeps coming to the downside, where I'll be interested in taking another long trade would be this daily naked point of control, and this daily naked point of control has some liquidity behind it. You see here, this liquidity here, we have this liquidity, and if you pull the fib from low to high structurally, because according to we have structure moving from here, from low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then higher low, higher high, and now we are currently retracing. So now that price is currently retracing, if you pull the fib now from this obvious swing point, to the high, you see that to the high where it got rejected on Friday, you see this daily naked point of control is in perfect confluence with the golden ratio of the fib retracement. So, and this week has some liquidity behind it, so those liquidity will probably drag price or magnet the price to the daily naked point of control. And if we lose if Bitcoin price action loses the daily naked point of control, the next level of support to the downside will be this $70,700. I will be much interested in that, reason being that it's in confluence with uptrend anchored VWAP pulled from the low, and also daily naked point of control. Daily naked point of control, daily horizontal support level 70,712, and we have the uptrend anchored VWAP at 70,276. So this would be an interesting area for me to pick my next trade from. And let's box this. Yeah, this would be the next area where I'll be interested in taking trade from. So if price keeps coming down, perhaps price does something like this. If it fails to bounce from here, breaks down, then I expect the price to bounce from here to the upside. Then also another area of interest for me would be if the price loses this level, then the last line in the sand for me to the downside would be $68,000. $68,000 would be the last line in the sand for me, because it also has some good confluences. The daily horizontal support level, the daily naked point of control, and it's also a perfect demand zone, sweet spot for demand, you could say. Okay, this region would be another interesting level for me to pick trades from. So if we lose 73,160, the next area of interest will be 70,712 thereabouts. Then I'll also be interested in picking trade from 68,823 down to 68.6 and plan trades around there. I'm not going to set limit entry around here. I'm simply going to keep watching price, watching price reaction around there. If I get my bullish confirmation, I fill in the trades, then I take a long trade. So that's it. These are the levels I'll be looking out for this week. First level would be this region, 73,160. Then I'll be interested in 70,712. Then last line in the sand for me would be 68,823. So what else? And if you also pull some volume, I don't need to pull all that now. I don't need to pull all that. So a lot of confluences on the chart, but just this is the area where I'll be looking to fill in my next trade. And as you can see, this region also has some liquidity behind it that has not been taken by price. So probably price could do something like this, grab the liquidity, stop out those that long here, and that's it. That's my current trading plan for this upcoming week. And for the trade that I took last week Friday during New York session, this particular trade was given in advance or almost in time. So this is the trade here. So this trade was given in advance before price hits that level, and then as soon as price hits the level, I waited for bearish confirmation. After getting the bearish confirmation, I took the trade, almost $78,000, filled it in, and you can see price respected it weeks into the level to the damn dollar, almost perfection there. And that's it. So that being said, that's all I have for the weekly outlook. And don't forget that this is not a financial advice. This is strictly the way I approach trading, and do not take whatever I say in this video as a financial advice, because I'm not a financial advisor. This is strictly my style of trading, and if you like this type of trading, you can go to the website at tradefuzz.com.ng. The link will be in the description. So enjoy the rest of your week.